If you're bringing in over 100 leads every single week from your lead magnet ads, yet 95% of them never, ever, ever engage or open any of your emails or nothing, just got to tell you, it's not bad luck. We're working it out, man. It's a data issue, and it's actually hiding in plain sight when we noticed that, yeah? And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact reason why most lead magnets right now are creating what we call passive leads, because it's 2025, but then how you can actually adjust with one simple step in your funnel so you can actually start talking to the people who actually want what you've got. They'll actually think about this, yeah? Can you imagine talking to people who want what you've got? And by the way, my private clients loved using this cheat sheet that we've got right now. We're using this to create their new ads because it got 40% of their messenger leads to actually start a conversation with them, and it actually got a few sales booked really easily. So if you want yours, just drop the word send below and I'll send it over to you messenger. Hey, I'm Tina. I'm the founder of Tina Sandford Video Ads. Now, me and my son Dan, we've been working with coaches, service providers, course creators, and we've been taking their massive lists of leads and getting booked calls from them. And we've been doing it without changing their offers or increasing their ad spend. We're doing it just by simply changing how that very first interaction is structured for them. And here, I want to show you what the numbers are revealing right now. When somebody actually clicks on your ad, they download your freebie and they get instant access. You know this, don't you? So I have to catch up the wind was blowing. They feel that they got what they came for. They came for the resource. They didn't come to get sold to. They didn't come for a conversation. We call this passive leads. And you know this for yourself, yeah? And across all those ad accounts we run for our own clients, that lead magnet funnels, they get these kind of passive leads, and they average around, at best, 5% response rate, meaning that 95% of them are actually no good to you. We fix this though with what we call the fast funnel. The great news is you don't have to change your freebie if it works, if it used to work, yeah? All you do is you repurpose it. And I can tell you the steps on how to do this. The first thing you want to do, you want to think about one clear sentence that names your freebie, but it also tells them the result that they would get. For example, this fast funnel framework will get you 10 conversations this week from your leads. Then, second thing is really easy. You run that sentence as a simple £5 a day engagement ad. You can do it as a really short reel. You could just make a quick video. You could do a photograph with a thing on it, but just get people to comment below if they want it. And then when they do comment, just tell them under the thing that you're going to send them the thing in Messenger. Okay, when you get to Messenger, you tell them that who it is you are and why you're there, and then work out if that freebie actually will help them. That's one of the biggest things, yeah? But the main thing is that the freebie has actually got the person to talk to you. And that tiny, tiny, tiny change, it changed it to at least 40%, okay? So you go from 5% with your passive leads to 40% using this small tweak. And you're going to ask yourself, what just happened? It used to work. You've just removed that gap between just people downloading stuff like squirrels to actually, they expected to chat with you. They expect to have some kind of conversation or something, yeah? So that's why they answered. But the best thing is now you're actually speaking with active leads instead of chasing passive ones who are not expecting to talk to you at all. I don't know you, I hate sales, so I never would ever respond to somebody who said I get something for free and then they start hassling me. I hate that, don't you? But if you want, you can track this for yourself. Look at your stuff right now. If fewer than 1 in 10 leads ever responds to your stuff that you're putting out with your free lead magnet, it just means you are running a passive system. If you want more conversations and more sales right now from your lead magnets, just try this out, okay? Make sure that you've done that sentence. Make sure you put underneath to comment below or DM you in Messenger and then see what the difference is. Now, we've already been testing this for clients, okay? And if you want the cheat sheet that I gave them this week, just drop the word send below, okay? And I can send that all over to you and it'll walk you through everything you need, okay?